Hello. Welcome to the third part of our tutorial video. Here are some points you must keep in mind as regards timing before and during the Uniport UTME exams. Point 1. Ensure to arrive at your CBT center some hours before your exam time. This will enable you to be relaxed, calm and ready for the exam. Also to make necessary inquiries and avoid rushing, and also to sort out your exam center. If you had difficulties locating it or it happens to be changed, remember, punctuality is a virtue. It is a key to your UTME success. Now let us talk about point 2. Time is everything in the exam hall. Once you log into your portal, how well you can utilize the allotted time will be put to test. Trust me, Uniport is very good at these. So take note of the following. Use the first 1 minute to take a deep breath. Answer all the questions you know. It is better to leave questions that require much time to solve. Do not waste time in questions that at the end of the day, you will not get the right answer. Such questions are better left for guessing at the end. Set your priority right. You might be fortunate to have some few seconds left after attempting the right answers. Please do not end the exam. Allow the system to log off and display your answer. That is the end of the tutorial video.